Hey guys, I'm always looking for a midweek meal, so I decided to do up these sheet pan glazed pork chops. Came out absolutely mouth-wateringly spectacular. So let me show you how to do these. So what you want to do first is make that delicioso marinade by adding a tablespoon of soy sauce. And this is the dark, you can use light too if you like. Another tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce for that British zip. About 3 tablespoons of me olive oil. 3 tablespoons of the old staple ketchup. About half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard here. Just gonna eyeball this. Some onion powder, and I'd say, half a teaspoon. A couple of cloves of minced garlic. Gotta have my garlic. Some salt. And last but not least, some ground black pepper. And of course, we'll just go ahead and mix this up until everything is well combined. And actually, this is smelling really good already. It's kind of funny, just like a barbecue. And this is coming together. It's gonna be a nice consistency, guys. Yum. Now just go ahead and put our pork chops in. And these are just a thin boneless chop that I picked up on sale. But of course, you can use the bone in it too if you like, whatever you like. Then I'm just gonna toss these guys around till they're completely coated in that ever so yummy marinade. Oh, just look at this, guys. Absolutely delicious they are going to be. And we're just gonna let these marinate, I'd say for about half an hour. If you have less time, that's fine. If you have more time, definitely do them overnight. You can also do these in a bag too. Well, the chops are marinating. Let's grab up some potatoes and we'll slice these guys in half. These are just baby potatoes. Taters into a bowl. And we'll just go ahead and throw some baby carrots in there too. I just love baby carrots. That's pretty good about there. Add some olive oil in. A couple of cracks of salt. And of course, some pepper. And of course, we'll give these guys a good mix up until everything is coated. Alrighty then, now our pork chops onto a baking sheet. Funny, I had a friend who used to call them pork hops. I don't know why, but oh, these look good, guys. And of course, some of those potatoes and carrots around the pork chops. Oh, meal for a king. And of course, we'll drizzle some of that yummy remaining sauce over the top. Certainly can't waste it. Now this is going into a 425 degree Fahrenheit, 220 Celsius, preheated oven for about 30 minutes, depending on the size of your chops. Now, just as a little tip, guys, you can make all this up the night before, and then just slip it in the fridge, put it in the oven the day thereof, and you've got a great midweek meal. After 30-35 minutes, we are done, and I'll tell you guys, that smell when they were baking was just driving me nuts. So good. Yeah, we'll go ahead and garnish this up with a bit of parsley. And there you have it, my friends, our sheet pan glazed pork chops. Absolutely incredible. All right, let's cut in and see what we have here. And get some carrots and a potato on there. Just look at this, guys. Wow. My goodness, these are so good. I just love that glaze, that sauce. Potatoes and carrots are perfectly done. Chops are tender. You gotta make this. Oh, fantastic midweek meal. Of course, as always, I'm gonna have more.